Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I took a weekly trip. Like always, I run into the Dollar Tree. I did need to get a couple of things. So, of course, for the past couple of weeks, I've been posting images of some new Christmas signs and some little knickknacks and things like that. Gift packaging that I think is interesting to you guys. So I've been posting them on my Instagram. So that's probably where this video will go. Maybe I'll pop it up on YouTube. But either way, make sure you follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel if this does go up on the channel, and give it a thumbs up, of course. And of course, if there's anything you see that you like, you must go check it out ASAP before it disappears. They have such cute boxes, let me tell you. Boxes for wine, boxes for small gifts, beautiful gift bags right there, as you can see. But the boxes are outrageous. These are 2 in a pack, by the way. The prints, there's more prints. You'll see them in a second. They're just outstanding. They're hard and made well. The gift boxes are nice, and yeah, they have great gift wrap. So, all right, guys, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you for watching. Bye.